How do you draw a map that is smaller than a single virus? You can't exactly use a Sharpie. The tip of a pen is 1 billion times too big. Instead, we paint with light. Last time, we moved our flawlessly pure silicon wafers into a hyper-clean room. Now, we have to draw our microscopic city onto the rock. The process is called photolithography. It sounds complicated, but it's basically just extreme microscopic spray painting. First, we pour a special, light-sensitive liquid all over the silicon. It's essentially high-tech, glowing slime. Next, we hold a stencil, called a mask, over the wafer. This stencil has the exact map of the computer chip cut into it. Then, we blast the whole thing with a massive flash of light. But we can't use normal light. The lines we are drawing are so unbelievably tiny that normal light is actually too thick to draw them. It would be like trying to paint the Mona Lisa with a giant, sloppy floor mop. So, we use extreme ultraviolet light. It's a type of light so extreme, it doesn't even naturally exist on Earth. We literally have to create it inside a machine by blasting microscopic drops of liquid metal with lasers, 50,000 times a second. When this alien light passes through the stencil and hits the wafer, it bakes the slime onto the rock. Finally, we pour toxic acid over the whole thing. The acid eats away the soft parts, carving billions of perfect tiny trenches into the rock. We did it. We carved our microscopic city. But there is a massive problem. It is just an empty city. Pure silicon is actually a terrible conductor. If you try to push electricity through it right now, nothing happens. The rock is dead. To make electricity flow, we have to ruin its purity. We have to poison the sand. We load up a particle accelerator and shoot a laser cannon of impurities, like phosphorus or boron, straight into the trenches we just carved. We blast these new atoms violently into the silicon grid. This creates a microscopic gate that can trap or release electrons on command. We have just built a transistor, an electronic switch. But we don't just need one switch. A modern computer chip has 50 billion of them, and they are completely useless unless they can talk to each other. In the next video, we are going to build a microscopic copper highway to wire all 50 billion switches together. Subscribe so you don't miss the wiring.